Steve, really following the beat of rival Samsung as well, what stands out today?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, Samsung and also fellow memory chip maker Micron from the U.S., all of them gave stronger than expected numbers, beating the consensus estimates and give a fairly good outlook. Hynix, of course, much more of a pure memory chip player than Samsung, so their fortunes are tied to the NAND and DRAM space. And what is really happening, the trend is major cloud operators like Amazon, Microsoft, and others, they're expanding their data centers quite rapidly. Alibaba also said just earlier this week that it will invest some $28 billion in cloud services over the next 3 years. And that has really fueled the rebound as well in memory chip contract and spot prices over the last couple of months, actually. So first quarter operating profit handedly beat estimates, 800 billion won. The estimate was 487 billion won. Revenue also rising about 6% to 7.2 trillion won. That's 5.84 billion US dollars. So what we saw was DRAM average selling prices quarter over quarter up 3%. Also NAND average selling price quarter over quarter up 7%. And basically the slowdown in mobile DRAM shipments and demand was kind of offset by that server growth. Mobile DRAM demand has sunk a little bit on consumer or weakening consumer demand. And also, despite the virus volatility, sales did rise on that server demand.
Steve, what about guidance? Is there much clarity in the memory space, given how guidance has been really lacking for most companies with regards of what to expect out of the pandemic?
Yeah, the one thing that has going for Hynix right now, or SK Hynix, is that the chip cycle is on an upswing. But again, towards the end of the year, there is lots of uncertainty. And SK Hynix in this earnings statement said unprecedented uncertainty will affect its market forecast, and any prolonged pandemic to increase demand volatility. It expects as well output disruption if the virus situation globally continues. However, it will maintain its previously announced investment plan for now.